In the heart of Sabah's rainforest, a white, fluffy cat wandered alone. Walking upright, curious and brave. Through towering trees and misty undergrowth, he trudged past the giant rafflesia, dirt clinging to his fur. He paused in awe beside a mossy waterfall, where an ancient dinosaur skull lay forgotten. Deeper still, he found a cave glowing with drifting fireflies, a place of quiet wonder. As night fell, he curled up inside, safe at last, while beyond the cave's mouth, a distant volcano erupted, lighting the sky with fire as he dreamed beneath the glow